Hey guys, if you got a small engine that won't start, like this one here, my Craftsman 16-inch 36cc chainsaw, and I also finished working on a Chicago portable generator. Apologize if it's a little smoky in here, it's pouring rain out and I'm trying to work in my shed. Anyway, biggest problem you're having is going to be the ethanol fuel, even if it's mixed with oil. The ethanol fuel basically creates a varnish inside the carburetor, which is where you run into your problem. My suggestion is completely take the carburetor out, off the chainsaw or whatever the case may be. Get yourself a little Amsoil Power Foam. This stuff just works absolute wonders. I mean, you can get a regular carb cleaner, small engine carb and choke cleaner like this Gumout stuff here. That'll work. That actually worked really well for the generator, but it would not work for the chainsaw. Once I put this stuff through it, it blew right through the jet like it wasn't even there, which was fantastic. The other suggestion I make is when you blow it into the jet, let it actually sit there for a few, let it actually work on it before you try and blow it out. Also, the other thing that comes in handy is a lot of guys will use an air compressor, but you can get this pretty much Costco or, you know, any computer store. These things are a godsend when it comes to working on small carbs as well, because you can blow all the crap right out of the carburetor. Anyway, I just wanted to throw my 2 cents in on that one. There's a lot of people wondering why their engine won't start, won't run, or it'll crank over but it won't keep going. That's your reason why. It's a new ethanol fuel, and it's not even new anymore. It's the ethanol fuel. Basically, over time it breaks down, leave a lot of water in the fuel, so one thing you're definitely going to want to do is change all the fuel out, get rid of the old stuff, especially if it's been sitting all season long. The other thing is if you got a snowblower for the winter coming up like we have, same thing. It's probably varnish built up from this ethanol fuel. So there you go, guys. I hope that helps you out. Any questions, feel free to hit me up. Thanks. Bye.